Consul, it was a pleasure having you here and together with your delegation. Today, with the Consul, we discussed and elaborated on many common dreams that we have as Jamaica and Aruba. We spoke also about the Jamaican community in Aruba, how much we care for them and how much they are contributing also to the island and to the culture of the island. With the intermediation of our good friend, Chris James, we have been contemplating on how we can emphasize the importance of the Jamaican community in Aruba. And we have come up with one that has symbolism, but also makes a strong statement. We have a beautiful roundabout at the airport of Aruba. There are many international flags of countries that are friends of Aruba, and a very important friend of Aruba, Jamaica, up until now doesn't have a flag on the roundabout. On the 6th of August, on the National Day of Jamaica, we will change that, and the Jamaican flag will be raised at the roundabout in honor of Jamaica and respect for the Jamaican community in Aruba. My friend.
Thank you, Prime Minister. I cannot thank you enough. It's an honor and a privilege. The Jamaican community has been waiting on this for some time, and it is great honor. It's a recognition of their dedication to this island, and it's a recognition and appreciation of the hosting of the Jamaicans by Arubans, by the community of Aruba. We thank you so much.
Thank you.